Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Off-Road's Bullhead Rear Bumper for Jeep's 1984 to 2001 XJ Cherokee. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's existing factory bumper. If equipped, also remove the existing nut plates. Step 2. Insert the provided nut plate into the chassis rail. Resecure the two muffler support bolts. Repeat the step on the opposite side. Step 3. Using 4 of the 8 M10 bolts, fitted with a lock washer followed by a flat washer, loosely secure the corresponding chassis bracket. Repeat the step on the opposite side. Test the fit of the bumper and see if the brackets need to be widened or closed. Once they've been adjusted, set the bumper down and tighten down the bolts using a 17mm socket or wrench. Step 4. Place the bumper onto the chassis brackets. Secure the bumper with 2 M12 bolts fitted with a lock and flat washer into serrated nuts. Repeat the step on the opposite side. Step 5. Secure the bottom brackets onto the chassis and bumper using 2 M12 bolts fitted with a lock and flat washers. The closest third hole requires a serrated nut. Repeat the step on the opposite side. Step 6. Install your set of D-rings by sliding them in place, followed by securing it with its accompanying bolt. Once all the hardware has been secured, then it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road Bullhead Bumper.